Python programming language, if, else. Learn the essentials of Python's if, elif, and else structure. The if, elif, and else statements form the core of decision-making in Python. Proper indentation is essential for defining blocks of code. Conditions control which block of code is executed. Conditional expressions evaluate to true or false, guiding the flow of execution. Comparison operators like equal to and greater than used to form these expressions. Nested if statements allow for complex decision-making by placing one if statement inside another. This requires careful attention to indentation to maintain code clarity. Logical operators such as and, or, and not enable the combination of multiple conditions. They help create more flexible and powerful decision-making structures in code. The ternary conditional operator provides a compact way to perform simple if-else evaluations in a single line, enhancing code readability for straightforward conditions. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.